Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Tobin here today with your video lesson for lesson 12. We're going to use math drawings to compose a rectangle with square tiles. If we were together, we would be sitting on the floor in a circle. So you're going to see me sitting on the floor today. You're going to need a white piece of paper, a pencil, and the square tile that was sent in the new learning plan. I'm going to make an array with 2 rows on the paper. I want you to watch as I draw using one tile. Make the square in the very top corner of my paper. I'm using the edge as one of the lines to help me keep the array straight. Your paper would be flat on the ground. Mine is tilted so that you can see what I'm doing. Now think about what I should do to create the rest of the row. I'm going to place my tile right on the line, making sure there are no gaps or overlays. And continue tracing. And the third one. Now I have a row of 3 squares. Think about where I need to place my tile to start the second row. I'm going to place it underneath the first one to start the second row. I'm using the bottom line as my top line. Remember, I use one hand to hold it and one hand to trace. If I work slower, it helps me be a little bit neater. And then the third. I've created an array of 2 rows of 3 squares. Now I want to draw most of an array without a tile. I'm going to start with a square in the middle. Remember, a square has 4 sides that are the same length. So I have a square in the middle. I want it to be 3 rows of 3 squares, so I'm going to keep going, trying my best to keep the lengths the same. Now I've created an array of 3 rows of 3 gaps. 3 rows of 3 squares without any gaps or overlays. Your turn to draw some on your own. Remember to take your time and try your best on the problem set.